to show you how to play Pomp and Circumstance, the graduation march. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of G, and it starts on the G. G, F sharp, G, A, E, D, C, B, C, D, A, B, C sharp, D, E, A, D, G, G, F sharp, E, D, C and D to make a seventh chord there. Then back to G, F sharp, G, A, E, D, C, B, C, D, A, B, C sharp, D, E, A, D, C, C, B, A, B, G, F sharp, F, E, F sharp, G, A, D, G, G, C, B, A, G. So there's your melody. Now, to start there's a little intro on D's right there to give the 5 chord of G, lead into the key of G, and then we go right to a G chord. Now the melody I'll play along with some chords in the right hand. So let's start with the right hand. You're going to go D, 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 and then we'll play a B, D, G. Now your G chord is G, B, D. We're going to play a B, D, G. So we're going to bring the G on top. So our melody starts on a G, and that G is on the top of the chord. G, and then we go to a D7 chord. Now your D7 is D, F sharp, A, C, but we're just going to play the C, D, F sharp. Then we go to a C, D, F sharp, G, A, and then we're going to have a B and an E right there, and then a B and a D. Then C, B, C, D, A. Now let's take that phrase and put the left hand with it. The left hand is going to be G and D. So the left hand is just going to be straight pulses. And you don't want to rush it. So here's what we've got. We've got a G and a D. So there's your G chord. And then we go to an A and an F sharp. So right there. And then now there's your D7. So we've got a D, F sharp, A, C. So you've got all the notes there, but you got the A and the F sharp in the left hand. So we got G and D, A and F sharp, and then we're going to go to an E minor sound. So it's just going to be an E and a G, and then a D and a G. Back to the G chord. There's your G chord. So I'm going to go slowly here so you can see all the chords. There's your E minor, and then we've got a D and a G in the left hand, and then a straight C chord. Okay, so we got the C in the right hand, and then we're going to go to a D and back to the D and the G. So there's your G chord again, and then we go to an A7, and then back to the. So we go just passing into that A minor 7 sound, but you're just going to have an E and a G in the bass, and you're going to have an A in the melody, and it resolves right back to the D, right back to the, so it's like a 2-7 with the resolves right back to the 5 chord, the D chord right there. So we've got this A sound, A chord sound, that resolves to the D chord. So the left hand's going to resolve it. It's going to go E and G, D and F sharp, and then we're back to the G chord. So you're going to have that far slowly. back to the G chord. Now here you've got the B in the melody, but the G and the D are down here. And then we're going to go to an, now that's going to be an A chord, and with the G in the bass, it's an A7, A major 7 sound there. So you're going to have B, A and C sharp, D, E, and then up to a D and an A, and a B and a D, back to the B, D, G, to a C sharp and a G, F sharp, E, A and a D, C and a D. So that right hand is going to go. Change pretty regularly in this piece. Now we're going to go straight to the D chord, but we've got the F sharp in the bass. So here's your D chord, D, F sharp, A. We got the D and the A in the right hand, the F sharp and the D in the left hand. And then we're going to a B minor. Now the B minor is B, D, F sharp, so you've got a B and a D in the right hand, and the B and the F sharp in the left hand. Right here we've got the E and the G in the bass, E, G, B, D, and we've got a G on top of that, so we've got an E minor 7 sound with the third doubled. So you go from this B minor, and then we go back to that A chord, A with the 7th in there, with the 7th up here. See, it's an A7, 1, 3, 5, 7. And you've got your C sharp and your G up here, your A and your E down here. And that G resolves to the F sharp, which is passing you right into the D chord. And then the D7. Now the D7 would be D sharp, D, F sharp, A, C, 1, 3, 5, 7. We're leaving out the 5 right there, and we're just going to play the 1, 3, the 7, and the D. So, and then we repeat what we've done before. Now that phrase is going to be, I'm going to go slowly so you can see it. Then we're back to what we started with. Changes because the melody goes up to that C, so we've got a C chord, but we've got the C on top, E and a G down here, and a G right there to fill that out, and then we're going to a D7 sound without the 5th again. That 5th comes in there, see, it locks it down, so you've got the D7, D, F sharp, C. The third of the chord is doubled. The third is doubled. So you're going to, and back to the G and the B right there. And we'll have the D and the G down here. So we go. Now as this melody walks down, G, F sharp, F, just sustain that D and the G. C chord and the D7, now the G chord, B, G, D in the right hand, and then E minor, E, G with the G in the right hand, and then we've got this A7, A minor 7 sound, leading to the D chord. To end that first time through, you just, every time you go through it, you just play this little fanfare again. And then and you're backed into it. Last time through, just go to this tag ending. Now you can just end it if you want to, or you can put the chord on that G. So either way, I just have it written ending on a G right there, but if you want to put the chord in, just jump down and hit the B, D, and the G right there. And you can sustain as you go down or lift off each time. There you have it, Pomp and Circumstance with the tag ending. I hope you enjoy it.